Welcome. In this video, we'll guide you through the simple steps to forward a community message on WhatsApp web using your PC. With the latest updates, sharing messages has never been easier. Let's dive in. First, open WhatsApp web on your browser. To do this, visit web.whatsapp.com and scan the QR code with your phone to log in. Once you're in, look at the left-hand menu where you'll see a list of your chats and communities. Next, locate the community section. Click on it to access the specific community where the message you want to forward is located. Once inside, navigate through the community messages until you find the one you'd like to share. When you've found the message, hover over it and click on the small menu icon that appears. This is usually represented by 3 dots or an arrow. From the drop-down menu, select the Forward option. After selecting Forward, a forward icon will appear. Click on it to proceed. This will open a new window where you can choose the contacts or groups you want to send the message to. Now, simply select your desired recipients from the list. You can forward the message to multiple contacts at once if needed. Once your selection is complete, hit the Send button. And that's it. You've successfully forwarded a community message on WhatsApp web. This feature makes it incredibly convenient to share important updates or announcements with friends, family, or colleagues directly from your PC. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to share it with others who might benefit from it. Stay tuned for more easy-to-follow guides on using WhatsApp and other digital tools.